I apologize for like the cut into the future, but I built this home so that I could like trap the entity inside. Oh, also there's like you could see like the damage and stuff. He left. I'm gonna go real quick to check something out. See, yeah, you can really tell Can I stop placing torches? Jesus Christ. You can tell I left a lot of stuff. I wanted to protect myself because, yeah. There we go. All the damage, that was just a lot of damage. Yeah, so. Also, about this gravestone, I don't know who built it. I don't want to get rid of it. Yeah. Ooh, cows. I might need some food to survive this hunter thing. I'm gonna call it the hunter. I don't have another name for it. Alex, that's stupid. Hunter fits him more. Gonna hunt maybe. I know this place. Yeah, the island. Dog. I mean, I know that place. When the prepare for the hunt message popped up. Yeah. A parrot. Also, sorry for like my voice. I'm kind of shook from the entity and stuff. What is this? It's like a boarded up cave. Let me check this out. I have the IQ of a movie character. Checking it out and stuff. What the? I knew I wasn't insane. This game's, I don't know. My lord, I don't even know. Yeah, I placed these when I was like running away from zombies. It wasn't from the entity. Oh god. I'm gonna need coal if I'm gonna survive this guy. I'm gonna really need coal and stuff. Oh, is that it? Oh, there's more. Is that it? One thing that I like don't get is why is this happening to me? Like, I just wanted a normal fucking survival world, and now I'm noticing the stupid entity behind it. I just want things to go normal, and I just want to like play survival with my dog Ruffles. Is that so hard to do? Wait, before I go, I'm gonna open this so I can film the entity. I think I'm gonna change the plan from trapping the entity in there to, well, him making him think that I'm in there. gonna wait till. Stop, Ruffles. I'm gonna hold on, I'm gonna wait till night, and cut it so you guys don't have to watch me. Okay. Right, I think it's nighttime by now. Let's check it out. See if he's sneaky. Oh my god.
Let me in.
Huh? Look it off. What? Is it over? Is it gone? It's not making any more screams or anything. Get the food. Here, Ruffs. I don't know if I wanna do this anymore. Hey. Alright. Horror movie character time to be there. I'm gonna make a shield in case anything. Might not be good or anything, but I like to try. There's nothing. Put torches down so I don't have to hold them this here so I can. Chapters are still up. Oh my god. I apologize for the cut, but I'm. Ow, fuck. I need to get the fuck out of here. Don't look back at all. Just run, fucking run. I'm hiding in here. Last thing, that anomaly would. Ruffles, get out of my way. Just get in here. Ruffles. Ruffles? Oh, fuck this, Ruffles. What? Ruffles? Who's the? Who the hell? Ruffs? Where are you, bro? What is going on? That's not Ruffles. Just run. Get out of here. I'm done. I'm done with this. Ruffles, you there? Come on. Ruffles, you there? Come on. I don't care. I'm not going back. A boat? Ruffles, get in. Ruffles, I don't have time to go. Ruffles. Oh, sorry. Fuck. Ruffles, please. Get in the boat. Stop placing goddamn torches. Oh my god. Place the boat there. Ruffles in. Come on. Let's go. I don't see anybody. There's nobody behind me. Let's get the hell out of here. I'm so done with this world and everything. Come on, Ross. Can you teleport? One. There. Here, Ruffs. Oh, can't feed him anymore. Alright, I built this, like, hut. The audio completely stopped. I don't know why. I think it's the anomaly corrupting my world or something. I noticed it while I was building the home. It's night. It's a day. Crap. So, yeah. Whatever. Wait. I wasn't there before, was it? It wasn't there. Lord. I'm gonna check back on my home, which I know I shouldn't, but Ruffles, get in the boat. Ruffles, just Ruffles. Where are you going? Do you want to die? God damn it! Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Good. Right. You don't go back there, Ruffs? Nope. He's the only companion I have in this goddamn world. Right, come on. Okay. There, I gotta break the boat and not, yeah. Leave the boat there. Let's go. Is he there? He's there. I'm so fucking scared. Hmm? Uh, hello? Hello? Fuck that. Let's go. Just, I don't care anymore. I just want to leave this. Oh yeah, about that. Right, as I was saying, I kind of when like, the footage started, I cut to like the future and stuff. I explained. I don't know if I explained actually. He like either three options. He ate my home. He used TNT, or he used his like legs or something. From what I saw, he flies. The hunter flies at like this home. Is he here? No, he's not hiding here. I'm just gonna make that visible. Take this out. Alright. Is he here? Sit down. Alright, come on. He's not here at all. Hole I used to escape. Let's fix this up. I still don't know why the audio like cut and stuff. It makes me worry for what he can do. Like, find my address, kill me IRL? I don't know. I don't even know what to do anymore, Ruffs. I... I'm lost. What up? Uh, my last steak. What am I supposed to do, Ruffs? I don't... I might get like, part 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. I want to capture this entity. I want to kill it. If anything happens, like I stop posting for like a long while, like a year, just know maybe the entity got to me or something. I don't know. Like the tree. That tree. It was where the spider was looking at me. Yeah. Fuck. That's where the hunter was also. He was looking at me from there. What is up with that tree? I want to no, no. I'm not leaving Ruffles alone here. And I don't want to bring him. I don't want to harm him with the mobs and stuff. I don't know what to do. Place him near the chest. And apple. Here, Ruffs. Here, take the steak. I don't know what to do.
Xpo, you know I know you can hear me. Come on, don't be scared. We're gonna have so much fun tomorrow.